इनवाइट करना चाहती हूँ जनरल काउंसिल्स एसोसिएशन ऑफ इंडिया के प्रेसिडेंट और फाउंडिंग मेंबर मिस्टर सीवी रघु से, जो हमारे साथ साझा करेंगे कि आज की बदलती दुनिया में लीडरशिप के असल मायने क्या हैं। तो प्लीज पुट योर हैंड्स टुगेदर फॉर मिस्टर सीवी रघु। आपने बहुत, आपकी जो जर्नी रही है, आपकी जर्नी कैसी है? मतलब आप एक अच्छे लीडर थे, आप बॉसी थे, क्योंकि यूजुअली जब हम कॉलेज में होते हैं, स्कूल्स में होते हैं, तो 2-3 तरह के स्टूडेंट्स होते हैं, या तो बैक बेंचर्स होते हैं या टॉपर्स होते हैं। कुछ स्टूडेंट्स ऐसे होते हैं जो बहुत क्यूरियस होते हैं। लेकिन अगर हम लीडरशिप की बात करें तो आपके हिसाब से लीडरशिप एक्चुअल में है क्या, या फिर आपने क्या सीखा अपनी जर्नी में?
थैंक यू रूपाली फॉर योर वार्म वेलकम। मेरा हिंदी ठीक है, मैनेज कर लेता हूँ। पिछले 35 साल से दिल्ली में मैं रहा हूँ, लेकिन इट मे नॉट बी द शुद्ध हिंदी। आई मेट अ कपल ऑफ पीपल हु आर फ्रॉम लखनऊ, तो हमारे वो तहजीब है नहीं। लेकिन फर्स्ट एंड फॉरमोस्ट थैंक यू वेरी मच फॉर इन्वाइटिंग मी हियर, एंड इट्स अ फैबुलस कैंपस। द स्टूडेंट्स हु आर हियर एंड द प्रोफेसर्स एंड द टीचर्स, यू शुड फील प्रिविलेज्ड that you operate, study from a campus that's so beautiful. And somebody was telling me Karan Johar should come and shoot a film in this campus,
because so, it's a luxurious campus, yeah, actually, to be precise.
And and coming to your question straight away, luxury brings along with it its own challenges.
Yes,
ma'am, because आपको एक बार एसी की आदत पड़ जाती है तो फिर बिना एसी के आप चल नहीं सकते हो.
Absolutely.
So coming back to the question on leadership, life is never easy. हम उस दौर से चले हैं जब there used to be typewriters in our office. So when you, as a lawyer, you want to dictate a petition, you had to first take time from your pool secretary, and he will have his own tantrums, and still you do it. And those secretaries used to be so brilliant that आप dictate करते जाओ और type करते जाते थे, एक mistake नहीं होता था. Today I can bet in this room, if I was to give one sheet to each one of you and say that on Microsoft Word, just type it without spell check, everybody will make mistakes. So that is efficiency, first thing. Coming back to leadership, आपने जो सवाल पूछा, ये बड़ी गहरी topic है. It's a very deep topic. And my belief is that leadership is all about value system. It's all about value system, which is fast depleting in this country. There's a deficit, huge amount of deficit, and I guess the generation next has to uphold the value system. And value system is nothing, these words sound like cliches. Value system is simple: be truthful, be honest, have integrity, have the courage to say the right thing. Courage doesn't mean aggression. Be assertive.
Right.
So that's the way we have started our life. We came from small towns, so obviously our value system was much stronger as compared to kids who grow up in the cities, because you are exposed to many more things. हमारे यहाँ पर आप बाबूजी को ना नहीं बोल सकते हैं, माताजी को ना नहीं बोल सकते हैं, कोई घर में बुजुर्ग आए पैर छुए हुए आप चल नहीं सकते हो. So it was all value system, and that time is to rebel, but today we feel that's what is keeping us in good stead.
एब्सोल्युटली. लेकिन जो आज का हमारा टॉपिक है वो है बियॉन्ड अथॉरिटी, व्हाट रियल लीडरशिप लुक्स लाइक. अब ये लीडरशिप बियॉन्ड अथॉरिटी सुनने में तो काफ़ी पोएटिक लगता है, लेकिन सच बात तो ये है कि अगर अथॉरिटी नहीं है तो कोई भी नहीं सुनने वाला आपकी, और कॉरपोरेट एनवायरनमेंट में तो खास तौर से. तो ये जो लीडरशिप की हम बात करते हैं, ये कैसे सीखा जाए? मतलब कैसे आए ये लीडरशिप? कोई थ्योरी तो है नहीं, कोई क्लासेस तो है नहीं, तो फिर कैसे इनकलकेट किया जाए ये? क्योंकि ये एक ऐसी चीज़ है जो आपको डे 1 से अपने अंदर लानी होती है. डे 1 से कुछ चीज़ें होती हैं जो अपनी हैबिट में इंक्लूड करनी होती है. वो क्या होंगी?
मैम, अथॉरिटी, आप लीडरशिप और अथॉरिटी आर इंटरलिंक्ड, फाइन. लेकिन अथॉरिटी आपको क्रिएट करनी पड़ती है, आपको क्रिएट करनी पड़ती है. एंड अथॉरिटी इज नॉट समबडी गिविंग यू अ लॉट ऑफ पावर. आपकी अथॉरिटी आपके एक्शन से आती है, आपकी अथॉरिटी आपकी चाल ढाल से आती है. आप हाउ डू यू वॉक द टॉक. आई विल गिव यू अ वेरी स्मॉल एग्जांपल व्हिच समटाइम्स might sound very cliche. First month, Hindustan Lever, you know, chips on your shoulder that you've made it to Hindustan Lever and all that. 1 month later, your finance head comes to your boss and says that your guy is not signing the register, attendance register. And my boss calls me and says that, I believe you don't sign the register. I said, yes, I don't sign. You should also not sign. So there was a pin drop silence. You're telling your boss, you should also not sign. I said, ma'am, we've been taught we are managers. When I come into the office, you want me to sign at 9:30. When I leave the office at 2:30 in the night, nobody takes. So therefore, we are managers. We are responsible for it and we'll live by that. If we are not responsible, we'll not live. You will be surprised. The next day, my boss stopped signing. So what I'm trying to say is that you must have courage of conviction. And conviction is not aggression. It's not, you don't have to be arrogant. You have to know what it is. And gradually you start building your own equity in the system. Authority आप देखेंगे बहुत सारे दफ्तर में आप लोग बहुत सारे लोग काम भी करते हैं. जिसका पास पावर है वो necessarily authority है वो नहीं है. Authority comes with how you conduct yourself, how you manage yourself, how you deal with people, how you know people, and there are several examples in our lives. आप किस तरह से चलते हो, किस तरह से courage of conviction है. You might be against the toughest opponent, at least in our professional law में. You know, if मैं डर जाऊँ कि कल कोई मैटर है, हरीश साल्वे साहब खड़े हैं सामने, तो मैं तो मैटर तो मतलब before I fought I have lost the matter. The question is you must go by your facts, your client's need, your matter, and if you believe that that's the correct position of law, then you contest it. And the judges are there who will balance it out. And I've seen this for young lawyers. When you stand in front of a senior counsel, the judges give young lawyers time. So, आपको you must be very clear about your facts, circumstances, and your knowledge. And I believe तीन words हैं, madam. Knowledge gives you confidence. Confidence gives you leadership. If you remember these 3 words, and it's not superficial words, knowledge. There is no second option. Any profession that you are, you have to be knowledgeable in that profession. If you have knowledge, you'll have confidence. And if you have confidence, that will automatically bring a spring in your feet. That will give you leadership.
अच्छा, एक बात बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट कही आपने कि लीडरशिप कन्विक्शन से आती है और कन्विक्शन इज नॉट अबाउट अग्रेशन. इट इज़ वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट. अच्छा, स्टूडेंट लाइफ बहुत सारे फेज से गुजरती है. एंजाइटी भी होती है काफ़ी बार, स्ट्रेस भी होता है, प्रोजेक्ट कंप्लीशन डेडलाइंस का भी पीयर प्रेशर होता है. मेरे कुलीग को ने अच्छा परफॉर्म किया या उसको इंटर्नशिप मिल गई, हमें नहीं मिली. इन सब चीज़ों से कैसे डील करना चाहिए स्टूडेंट्स को? और आपने अपने कॉलेज लाइफ में क्या एक्सपीरियंस किया, गुड बैड फेजेस आपके क्या रहे जिससे आपने सीखा?
पहले चीज़ तो हम हमारे कॉलेज लाइफ ना बात ही रहे इस टाइप के कैंपस में, तो अच्छी बात है. हमारे तो विजडम ट्री के नीचे, इफ़ एनी वन ऑफ यू हैज़ बीन टू द कैंपस लॉ सेंटर, हमारे आधा टाइम विजडम ट्री के नीचे चली गई हम. बट वी वर फॉर्चुनेट, वी हैड वेरी गुड प्रोफेसर्स. वी हैड प्रोफेसर उपेंद्र बख्शी, मेनन साहब, बड़े बड़े दिग्गज लोग ने पढ़ाए. वी वर प्रिविलेज्ड. हैविंग सेड दैट, देखिए स्टूडेंट लाइफ में आपके पास हमेशा दिक्कतें आएंगी. इनफैक्ट आज के स्टूडेंट लाइफ में जो दिक्कतें आप जो चीज़ मेंटल हेल्थ बोल रहे हैं, दीज आर टू माई माइंड वाई, व्हाट आर यू कम्पीटिंग अगेंस्ट? इमेजिन व्हाट इफ, एक व्हाट इफ क्वेश्चन होती है लाइफ में. व्हाट इफ आई फेल? नथिंग विल हैपन. नथिंग विल हैपन. आई एम टेलिंग यू द क्वेश्चन. एंड प्लीज ये गांठ मान लीजिए, if you overcome that fear of what if, then everything in life is hunky-dory. I sometimes wonder this mental health. Peer group, I hear this very often when I hire people also. People will tell, law firms में typical होता है A0, A1, A2, A3. You know, A0, trilegal is paying 18 lakhs, AZB is paying 17 lakhs, but I'm not making money. Law is a 35-year-old career, if not more. It will all balance out over a period of time. Don't even worry. Focus on what you have to deliver. If you become a good lawyer, how many of you have heard about a very senior counsel called Mr. Shanti Bhushan, the late Mr. Shanti Bhushan, right? Till he practiced from Allahabad Allahabad Law School. He came to Delhi. His first famous case was Raj Narayan versus Indira Gandhi, which was the biggest case, and completely transformed him. He won the matter for Mr. Raj Narayan, and he suddenly got into limelight. That doesn't mean that he was not a good lawyer. It's a matter of time when the whole fulcrum shifts you to the other side. Your time will come. Somebody will get the time when you are 30 years old, somebody will get it when you are 40, but it will surely come. And life is too precious. Get out of this mental health. There's no concept of mental health. You are all privileged children to study in a campus like this. You are privileged to have professors like this. You are privileged to have these kind of sessions. We never had. The question is that, in spite of that, what is it? If you earn 2 lakh rupees less or 5 lakh rupees less than your peer, life is not coming to an end. It will not. It should actually push you harder to say that I'll work harder and I will cross that barrier. It's just, you set your own goals. Be yourself by yourself. That's the formula that you should have. Don't go by comparisons. Sachin Tendulkar cannot be compared to Rahul Dravid. But are both greats? You all will be great.
पर थोड़ा सा पीयर प्रेशर तो सर इम्पोर्टेंट भी होता है, उसे देखकर आगे बढ़ने की हिम्मत भी मिलती है कि बेटर करें हम.
Peer pressure अच्छी बात है, as long as it is competitive. As long as it is negative, it's not good. If your colleague is doing better, learn from her or him what they are doing differently and try to see whether you can. You may not be able to do everything, but आपको पता तो चले कि वो कर क्या रहा है. लेकिन आप वो कर रहा है, मैं नहीं कर पा रही हूँ, उसमें डिप्रेशन में चले जाएं, तो वो तो that is not acceptable. I will not even say that is the wrong thing. That is not acceptable. Remember, there are folks sitting back home who have sent you here thinking that my child will do something very nice, right? You are not alone. You cannot risk that. Your parents have worked their life to send you to such brilliant institutions, right? So you have to really live up to their expectations. And live up to their expectations doesn't mean no parent will say that मेरा बेटा Einstein बन जाए. But they want to see you do well. And nobody is saying that you have to come back and give crores to them, no? Has anyone of your father or mother told you that when you finish law, you have to give me 5 crores back? Anybody? No, no. So what is the pressure? I sometimes don't understand this mental. In fact, in my department, I used to have over 35 people in my last job who are all under. Sir, बहुत stress है. ऐसा किस चीज़ का stress है काम का तू मुझे दे दे. I will do it, yeah. And I used to be the last guy to leave my office, 2 o'clock in the night, 3 o'clock. But हमें कोई stress नहीं होता था. It's not that I don't have a family, I don't have children. सब कुछ है. You have to. These are things, and these are the things that teach you. Life teaches you so many things. People talk about work-life balance. Work-life, हमारे लाइफ में मैंने हम सिर्फ वर्क करते थे, हमारे लाइफ में कोई बैलेंस नहीं था. You have to find balance in your work and life in your work.
लेकिन सर फिर तो आप काफी कूल बॉस हैं जो एम्प्लॉइज का स्ट्रेस ले लेते हैं या
मैम
यूजुअली ऐसा होता नहीं है
फॉर गुड लीडरशिप आपको हर इंसान का बात सुनना चाहिए. आपके जूनियर मोस्ट रिसोर्स might give you the most brilliant suggestion.
Exactly.
If you say, I know it all, that's the start of your disaster. That's the start of your disaster. And I remember when I first became a global head in my last job, typically we are Indians, Americans, Germans, they can't accept. I'm being very honest. They can't accept that an Indian is my boss. Because Motherson is an Indian multinational, if anyone of you has heard. And Chand Sehgal, that's right. He used to be a boss. And when I joined, I said, sir, बड़ा difficult परिस्थिति में डाल दिया आपने मुझे by मेरी. He said, ये तो game है. He told me, this is the game. So I remember, and people you have to listen to everyone and counter them on merits. You cannot say, I'm the boss and you better listen to me. You say, you tell me what the problem is, I'll give you a solution. If you give a better solution, over a period of time, leadership is all about followership. Leadership is not about demanding. Boss typically हो जाते हैं, बहुत सारे लोग boss होते हैं, thinking that I am now senior vice president or I am the president of this company, everybody listen. You go into the auditorium and see them speak, 50% जनता सो रही है. Right? The question is that if you have followership comes with where people idolize you, where people say, this man or this lady stands by what she says and they walk the talk. And it's very important, I'm telling you, that value system, one other topic that I have to, integrity and ethics is the need of the hour. Today, there is a huge deficit of integrity and ethics. सब चलता है, नहीं चलता है. ये जो concept सब चलता है, वो नहीं चलता है. If you don't stand by the value of integrity, and integrity is not financial integrity, that's a must. If you don't have financial integrity, you don't have a job. You don't have a seat in the law school. If copy करके आए हो तो पहला सेमेस्टर में बैठे हैं साहब, निकाल देंगे आपको. ठीक है? The question is, that is the integrity of who, it's not who is in front of you. What is the advice that you're giving? Irrespective of the junior most person asks or the senior most person asks, your advice must be consistent, and that is based on knowledge. And have the courage. क्या हो जाता है? I have somebody very senior told me once, tell me one person in this whole world who has lost a job for doing the right thing. People lose jobs because for doing the wrong things. Nobody. You may not get an increment of your lighting because वो बोल रहा है ये खड़ूस आदमी है, ये difficult guy, but you'll never lose a job because they also know they value people who say the truth. Every organization, she mentioned about my boss, he सब बोलने के बाद बोलेंगे रघु जी आप बताइए क्या है. And there have been so many times when I have advised him, he says, and he used to always address his rest of the people as like in a very lighter tone, in an abusive language which I will not use here, but people value. Why do you think that people will not value if you say the right things? But doing the wrong things, लोग बोलते ना red light jump कर लिया. It's not about, you're not saving yourself from the cops. You are saving yourself from your own life. It doesn't matter whether middle of the night when you're driving, if you stop at a red light and don't jump the red light, that's integrity.
Exactly. अच्छा, एक बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक जो आपने टच भी किया, क्रिटिसिज्म का. हर कोई क्रिटिसिज्म को हैंडल करने में उतना बेहतर नहीं होता, वो काफ़ी बार डिफेंसिव हो जाते हैं. एक अच्छा लीडरशिप क्वालिटीज़ इनकलकेट करने के लिए, एक अच्छा लीडर बनने के लिए क्रिटिसिज्म को एक्सेप्ट करना कितना इंपॉर्टेंट है?
मैम, एक बहुत ही अच्छा पॉइंट आपने रेज किया. जो आदमी आपको क्रिटिसिज्म करता है ना, ही इज़ योर फ्रेंड. पहला चीज़ वो चीज़ मान लीजिए. क्रिटिसिज्म देने के लिए ना बहुत करेज चाहिए. इफ आई हैव टू कम अक्रॉस टू योर वर्क स्टेशन एंड से well, ma'am, I did not like this. It takes a lot of courage to say that. And the fact that somebody is telling you is a boon in disguise. Take criticism very positively. There will be emotional side of that. When people give criticism, they do a lot of emotive. Remove the emotion, but see what is it that they said. And if you start working on that, and if you listen to them, the guy who's criticizing you most, take it from me, 12 months later, he will be your biggest follower because you have acted on his criticism. Criticism comes positive, negative. Positive, ज़्यादा don't pat yourself too much. Positive, लोगों को क्या होता है जो अच्छा बोलता है तो he's your जो आपकी गलतियाँ बताता है वो भी he is actually a better friend than the person who told you the good thing. because जो अच्छा चीज़ बोल रहा है वो आपका साइकोफैंट है, वो आपको चढ़ा रहा है. Please be careful. Don't fall into that trap. The guys who have the courage to give you negative feedback that last night, like today after this session, one of you will water up, sir, आपने ये बोला मुझे अच्छा नहीं लगा. I must correct myself saying that yes, मैंने कुछ गलत किया हो रहा है और कुछ बेहतर बता सकता था. If I do that, then you have actually given me a positive contribution. So I would think that criticism is something. Please welcome criticism. The more criticism that you get, the better you will become as a human being. And respect people who criticize because it takes a lot of courage for people to come and criticize you.
और उस क्रिटिसिज्म से अपने आप को बेटर करना है, ना कि उससे अपनी मेंटल हेल्थ को अफेक्ट करना है.
मेंटल हेल्थ तो मैडम ये क्लीशे है. हमारे टाइम में क्या मेंटल हेल्थ होता था? एक हमारा मेंटल हेल्थ रह रहा है, एक छड़ी लगती थी, उसके बाद हमारा रिबूट हो जाता था सिस्टम रिबूट हो रही, वी आर बैक ऑन ट्रैक. द क्वेश्चन इज दैट डोंट क्रिएट आर्टिफिशियल प्रॉब्लम्स फॉर योरसेल्फ. आई एम टेलिंग ऑल माय फेलो स्टूडेंट्स हियर, डोंट क्रिएट आर्टिफिशियल प्रेशर. 60% मार्क मिला, आप होप कर रहे थे 90, क्या हो गया? यू हैव टू वर्क हार्डर, दैट्स इट. डोंट गेट इनटू अ डिप्रेशन दैट मेरा 60% क्यों आया. अरे 60% आया ना, अरे फेल हो रही, बैक हो रही है पेपर, अगली बार पढ़िए. एंड after the session I'll tell you some of the methods of how you can do. I'll give you a small example now that family law 2, only paper in my life which I did not clear the first time. इतना पढ़ा था नहीं हुआ. The next time, this is on a lighter tone, don't take me seriously. I did not read anything for family law 2 and I took the exam. And I quoted judgments left, right and center, which are not existent anywhere. And I wrote 64. So there are some tricks of the trade, but don't follow me on this. This is not a very healthy example to follow. But I am saying that don't take stress. क्या हो जाता है? एक पेपर बैक हो रहा, 2 पेपर बैक हो रहा, तो ठीक है, लाइफ में चलता है. There are so many lawyers and so many MBAs who are not very successful. And to your first question, front bencher, back bencher, you don't have to be a front bencher or a back bencher. You must have your personal goals. Set your small personal goals. Over a period of time, you'll see that you have climbed the ladder.
बिल्कुल. और जो हमारे एल्डर्स ने कहा है, बुजुर्गों ने कहा है, वो सही कहा है कि शिक्षा सब कुछ है. शिक्षा है तो नॉलेज है, और वही आपके फ्यूचर सक्सेस की नींव वही है. तो उस पर ध्यान दीजिए. मेंटल स्ट्रेस वगैरह कुछ नहीं है, इस पर तो सोचना भी नहीं है. जैसे सर ने कहा, पहले टाइम में मेरे पेरेंट्स भी ये बात कहते हैं कि स्कूल में टीचर से स्टिक लगती थी, घर में पेरेंट्स से, और सब मेंटल हेल्थ परफेक्ट रहती थी. शायद उसी की कमी है सर. भैया
नहीं, कमी नहीं है. देखिए, दुनिया बदल रही है, सिचुएशन बदल रहा है. आज मेरी बेटी को मैं हाथ उठाता हूँ, बोलता बीट मी, बोलती है. So you don't want to do that, right? But that apart, my question is that don't create your own artificial problems. You know, do yourself. And life is too beautiful to live. Don't waste it. You know, don't get into all this useless. कितना टाइम आप वेस्ट कर रहे हो सोचते सोचते कि उसने अच्छा किया, इसने अच्छा किया. अरे आप करो ना. You might be a great painter, you might be a great, who says in this room everybody has to be a barrister? I don't want to see all of you practicing somebody will become general counsel, somebody will become a legal journalist, somebody will be, यहाँ बैठी है मैडम criminologist है. So you do law is such a beautiful subject, management is such a beautiful subject, you can be asset in any direction that you want to.
Right. Well, thank you sir. बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग सेशन रहा आपके साथ. थैंक यू सो मच.